Hello everyone. In the previous videos we discussed about polytrophic process. In a short summary, if you want to say polytrophic process, it is the one in which molar specific heat of a gas during the process remains constant. Those type of process is called as what? Polytrophic process. And the general process equation of polytrophic process is given as PV raised to the power x is equal to constant, where x is called as polytrophic index. And using this, we derived x is equal to C minus Cp by C minus Cv, and this relation you can find in the previous videos. And we derived this relation also for molar specific heat. C is equal to Cv plus R by 1 minus x, and then we derived the x value for different polytrophic process, that is isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic and isochoric. For isobaric, x is equal to 0, isothermal x is equal to 1, for adiabatic x is equal to gamma, it is nothing but the ratio of Cp by Cv, and for isochoric x is equal to infinity. And now we are going to discuss about indicator diagram for polytrophic process, how to draw the indicator diagram for different polytrophic process. When you take this equation PV raised to the power x is equal to constant and differentiating on both sides, you will get P x v x minus 1 dV plus v power x dp, that is equal to 0. Then if we split this and write px v power x v power minus 1 dv plus v power x dp is equal to 0, divide by vx on both the sides, then it will become px v power minus 1 dv plus dp is equal to 0. Then this can be written as P by V x dV, this is equal to minus dP. Then this can be written as P by V into x is equal to minus dP by dV, or simply we can write it as dP by dV, that is equal to slope in a PV diagram. This is equal to minus of x upon minus of x into P by V. This is very important relation. Here this is the PV diagram where pressure is along y-axis and volume along x-axis, and if you draw the PV curve for isobaric process, then you see the equation here. The slope of PV curve for isobaric process as x is equal to 0, then the slope will be also 0. So you will get a straight line. This will be a straight line for isobaric process. Since x is equal to 0, slope dP by dV will be also equal to 0, so it will be a straight line. Then if you come for isothermal, from this relation you can write PV is proportional to V power x. Here for isothermal x is equal to 1, so it will become a rectangular hyperbola. So the isothermal we can draw like this. So this is for isothermal, and it is a rectangular hyperbola. It is not a straight line, it is a rectangular hyperbola isothermal for which x is equal to 1. Then for adiabatic process, instead of x, if you substitute gamma, here gamma will be here I will write, here gamma will be greater than 1 in this case, but not greater than 2 or something. So here also it will become a rectangular hyperbola, but as gamma is greater than 1, Comparing to isothermal, the adiabatic curve will be somewhat deep. This is for adiabatic. Here x is equal to gamma, which is greater than 1. So when you compare isothermal and adiabatic curve, so which one is steeper? Adiabatic will be steeper than isothermal. Then if we consider isochoric process, here x is equal to infinity. So when x is equal to infinity, then the slope dp by dv will become infinity. In that case, the curve will be parallel to pressure axis. That means here the volume is 0. This says that the slope will become infinity, and this is called as isochoric. Here x is equal to infinity. This is how we have to draw the PV diagram for different process. For isobaric, as x is equal to 0, slope is 0, so horizontal. For isothermal, as x is equal to 1, here P is inversely proportional to V raised to 1, so it is a rectangular hyperbola. Isothermal, as gamma is greater than 1, for adiabatic, even though it is rectangular hyperbola, it is somewhat steeper. For isochoric, as x is equal to infinity, then slope is also become infinity, then it will become a vertical line parallel to P axis. This is what indicator. This is how we have to draw the indicator diagram for polytrophic process. Thank you.